Newham Collegiate's innovative summer coding course taught by accomplished alumni. This summer, Newham Collegiate Sixth Form Centre, one of the best sixth forms in London for student outcomes, launched an intensive coding course taught by two of its accomplished alumni, Tafsir Shikhar and Yusuf Mohammed. After graduating from MIT, these impressive role models returned to their former school to share their passion for computer science. "We have a lot of great young people who just need to believe in themselves. And that's all I really wanted to tell these young people, just believe in yourself and you can do it," said Shikhar, exemplifying the course's mission to inspire ambitious futures. For 4 weeks, Shikhar and Mohammed guided around 60 pupils in hands-on Python projects modeled after their own MIT coursework. By experiencing advanced coding firsthand, students gained skills not typically taught in sixth forms as part of Newham Collegiate's NCS Engineering School. The coding course allowed students like Zakaria to expand their computational thinking abilities. Learning from Ms. Shikhar made it easier because it was quite like teaching at NCS, and she was willing to have one-to-one with students to help understand the areas which we struggled, he explained. Zishan added, "It is also thoroughly enjoyable because the teacher talks about how she personally got into the coding sector by going to universities in the USA and UK." By returning to inspire students, Tafsir Shikhar and Yusuf Mohammed exemplify Newham Collegiate's commitment to unlocking its students' potential. The innovative coding course is just one of the standout offerings that make Newham Collegiate Sixth Form Centre a transformational environment.